Tourism Minister Jane Kapata says Zambia and Rwanda will continue enjoying cordial relations, saying the two countries' tourism products have a comparative advantage in the airline industry. Mrs. Kapata says the strategic aviation sector is effectively used as a vehicle that facilitates sharing of best practices, as well as reinforcement of cooperation and growth in other sectors in the two sister countries. She made the remarks in Lusaka during the celebrations marking Rwanda's Independence Day.
Zambia and Rwanda enjoy warm bilateral relationship. Both countries offer unique tourism products. Rwanda's boasts of its mountainous landscape, which has earned that country the nickname Land of Thousand Hills. Zambia, on the other hand, is proud of its many waterfalls, like the mighty Victoria Falls. Tourism Minister Jane Kapata is aware of the uniqueness of the two countries and wishes to see more cooperation.
Its owned volcano and national park, which is a home to the mountain gorilla and golden monkeys. The park encompasses Karisimbi Mountain and 4 other forested volcanoes. Zambia, which is home to the mighty Victoria Falls, also offers a variety of tourism products that range from wildlife, waterfalls, traditional ceremonies, and many others. These tourism products from the two countries will be easily accessed by tourists looking for variety in packaged tours.
Rwanda charged their fare to Zambia. Abel Buhungu has thanked the government of Zambia for granting RwandAir the 5th freedom to operate in Zambia.
Existing good bilateral ties between Rwanda and Zambia, coupled with RwandAir's regular and reliable flights to Lusaka, serve as a strong linkage between the people of Zambia and Rwanda. Rwanda is extremely thankful to the government of Zambia for having warmly welcomed and facilitated the easy establishment of the High Commission, whose role is to support the reinforcement of bilateral as well as economic relations between the two sister countries.
The two were speaking on the occasion to mark Rwanda National Day of Celebration, which was organized by RwandAir. Matthew Zintala, Movie TV News in Lusaka.
You're watching the primetime news on Movie Television. Still to come, President Edgar Lungu has dashed the hopes of male PF members